What is a pocket forest? Well, a pocket forest is a small, densely planted area that mimics natural forest ecosystems and promotes biodiversity and combats urban heat. At BSC Group, we focus on integrating climate resilience into our projects, especially in ways that are practical and accessible for communities. One such method is growing pocket forests.
We planted our first pocket forest in an environmental justice community. It's a community that is densely populated and vulnerable to the effects of heat from the urban environment, as well as air pollution from a nearby rail corridor and a busy roadway corridor. Our next year, we planted 2 additional pocket forests. Both of these are located near schools. This is a wonderful opportunity to create more shade and cooling effects for the environment next to the schools, and also to involve the students in planting, monitoring, and maintaining the pocket forest. Next year, we intend to plant 2 more pocket forests. We decided to create pocket forests after studying the local climate threats and working with the community to create climate action plans. We identified nature-based solutions, things that we could do to work with nature to make our community more resilient, and pocket forests were one of these. Our funding for the planning and the pocket forest projects has come from the Municipal Vulnerability Preparedness Program of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts.
The pocket forest movement grows out of indigenous agriculture and the modern permaculture movement. It's further inspired by the work of Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki. The philosophy behind pocket forests is to connect people and their communities with nature, which is needed now more than ever.
Pocket forests attract a wide variety of plant and animal species because their dense native vegetation creates ideal habitat and abundant food sources.
This is why pocket forests are important for climate resiliency. The dense plantings absorb carbon, increase biodiversity, provide shade, absorb runoff, and are important for air pollution. At the 3 sites, we've planted over 2,000 trees with an additional 2,000 shrubs and ground cover plants. All of these plantings have happened with community involvement. We've worked with schools, community organizations, nonprofits, lots of students to make this project happen.
Apart from the climate resilience benefits, the pocket forest has additional benefits for our school. It creates opportunities for students to be outside and connect with nature, and engages them in real science and hands-on learning. So, how do you pocket forest?
Starting your own pocket forest begins with finding a site, doing a lot of planning, which is best done with community members. And then you have to gather the materials from the local ecosystem and from vendors like greenhouses and other places. Then finally, you get to invite the public in for planting and maintenance.
We encourage everyone to visit the Ayer-Devens Pocket Forest website at climateresilientwixsite.com/Ayer-Devens. There, you can download the How-To Pocket Forest Guide to kickstart your community's effort in combating climate change.
By building participation, we can make these urban forests a solution both regionally and statewide. Climate resilience really depends on us all working together, and this is just the beginning.